Welcome to Tasty Tuesdays, where each week we'll highlight a healthy, tasty recipe that kids can make with their parents. This program is brought to you by Jackson County 4-H agent Caroline Chappell and Family and Consumer Sciences agent Terri. Today we'll be making beef and veggie stir fry.
Start by mixing together the water, ground ginger, garlic powder, and soy sauce, then set it aside for now. Wash and cut up the vegetables. You'll need carrots, broccoli, a bell pepper, an onion, and mushrooms. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan, then add sliced beef when the oil is hot. Stir until it's browned.
Once your meat's brown, you can push it to the sides and add in your bell peppers, onions, and carrots. Once that's cooked for 1 minute, you can add in your mushrooms and broccoli. Then let everything cook until it's tender. Once your veggies are tender, you can add in your sauce mix. Once it boils, reduce the heat, cover the pan, and let it cook for 2 minutes. You can serve your stir fry with brown rice or whole wheat noodles for a healthy, balanced meal. This recipe was adapted from choosemyplate.gov. The link will be in the description. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button below, show us your creations in the comments, and if you want to see more, you can follow our Facebook page.